Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to play Fortnite on your Chromebook. So here is the step-by-step guide. As you can see, you can play Fortnite on Chromebook through cloud gaming options. Like Chromebook currently supports three main cloud gaming platforms which you can use. First is Nvidia GeForce Now, and second is Xbox Cloud Gaming, and third is Amazon Luna. So if I open them like one by one, let me just open them. And once they are open, so as you can see, the first one is GeForce Now. Like you can just click on play now, and you must be the member of like GeForce Nvidia. And if you're a member of it, you will be able to like play, or like as you can see, launch iOS Safari. So once you're logged in, just click on this option and you'll be able to play it. And the second thing is like Xbox Cloud Gaming. So just click on play now, and if I click on play now, as you can see, just sign in with your account. And once you're signed in with your account, you will be able to play Fortnite from this like cloud gaming as well, like Xbox. And the third thing is like this one, Amazon Luna. So just click on play now, and you will be also able to play through this website. So let it load completely, and as you can see, like make sure to log in with your account, and you will be able to start your Fortnite from this option. So these are the simple and working methods on how you can play Fortnite on Chromebook easily.